I am Stacy Stender. I teach in the Math and Science department. I teach Forensics and Algebra 2 this year. So we are looking to purchase a robotic arm, a conveyor belt system, and a vertical milling machine. The robotic arm we're hoping to bring into the innovation space allows students to work with programming language and think in terms of algorithmic learning, where they have to tell the robot inch by inch what to do and how to move along a space. The conveyor belt is also a kit set up so that students can learn how materials can progress from one step to another. When paired with the robotic arm, students can begin to look at how machines are able to decipher and differentiate between materials. The vertical milling machine that we're hoping to bring on campus would allow students to do things from etch to actually design the edges of various materials, including metals, that can be used to iterate different pieces of machinery in robotics or understand concepts in math, such as depth. I'm excited for students to be able to interact with materials that allow them to see the inner workings of the math or engineering that they're doing, that allows them to be hands-on. It's not something that they'll sign into and it'll all be given to them and all they have to do is be observers. They get to be active participants. In project learning, students get the chance to make their learning sticky by making things with their hands. As they learn concepts, they can cement those ideas. Thank you for supporting STEAM education in this Gales Give Back.